Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a mystery box unboxing from Spectrum. This is the Mirror mystery box. The cost of the box is £39.99 and it has a value of £132.23. Spectrum are renowned for their brushes. I absolutely love them. I've loved Spectrum for many years, but besides their brushes, I've never tried anything else from the brand, so I thought I would give this a go. I was searching up one day mystery boxes, thinking what can I upload for my YouTube channel, and Spectrum came up, so I was really chuffed to have found this. I've had a sneak peek inside and it is amazing. I haven't opened it up fully because I wanted to do it on camera with you. There's 3 mystery boxes. The contents are very similar, but the brush designs are different, and you're able to see this on their website. If you're interested in one of these for yourself or any of the other mystery boxes, I'll pop that down below as well as everything else. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. All products are cruelty free and vegan, and in each mystery box you're guaranteed a minimum of 7 brushes and beauty products. I also have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to receive 15% off anything off their website. You'll find that down below as well. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. Give you a quick sneak peek first. Now there's no leaflet inside, so I'll just go through them all one by one. So first up, I've got a set of 10 Disney brushes. Now I am not a huge fan on Disney products. You know, like in Primark, you've got a load of Disney clothes and things. Yeah, I've never been a fan of that. But the reason I went for these, because I thought they looked smart. I really like the colour. I'll go through them in a minute, but is there any information in here that I can share with you about them? No, it's just a little card. We've got a A00 and it says here, fairest of them all, Disney. So a nice big fluffy brush there for powder. Yeah, lovely. Then I've got a B01. They are super soft. That is beautiful. That'd be a nice foundation brush. Super soft. Yeah, really nice. And they all have the fairest of them all on them. Next we've got an angled blusher brush, an A05. Look, woo. Then I got a fan brush. This is an A10. Then I got a B05, a nice multi-purpose brush there. Could use it as highlight, for under eye concealer setting, or even for concealer. Yeah, a nice little brush there that you can use for anything. We got a B06. Again, rounded fluffy brush. We've got an A12, more of a detailed shading brush. Got an A24, it's got a spoolie on one end, and an angled eyeliner or brow brush there. Got an A16, nice flat brush. And lastly, we've got a B04, and it's an angled shader. This makes me super happy. I am obsessed with makeup brushes. I am really obsessed with them. They are super lovely. Yeah, really nice. So there's those. I've got more brushes. Got a set of 2 here. And they don't say what they are, but the first one is an A32. And that's an angled brush. Really nice for contour, this would be. Yeah, it's not too big, but it's nice and fluffy, so you can really diffuse the contour out. Then we've got this gorgeous A31 brush. Look, it is huge. It's a flat but fluffy brush. I don't own one like this. It's lovely. I don't know. Powder, blush. bronzer. I'm gonna have to look online. Next, I got another brush here. It's gorgeous. This is again from Disney, but this is from Unfortunate Souls range, and this is a B08. This is more like a highlighting brush. And again, super, super soft. And then the last of the brushes, I've got a set of 2 here, and it says Apply and Blend. It says Spectrum Amethyst Duo. Got an A07. I've got a B07. They are beautiful, aren't they? Oh my gosh, I've got loads of brushes. I got loads of brushes. And then I've got some makeup. We've got a hydrating and illuminating primer, Glowful Mini. This is in 15 mils. Love the packaging. Okay. If you've tried any Spectrum cosmetics before, please let me know what you think of it. Oh, that is nice. Just gives us a very, very subtle sort of tint to the skin. Yeah. It's a Glowful Mini. Next, I've got a Dark Matter black mascara. And, ooh, it's a little wand. I never know how mascaras will perform on my lashes, so who knows? This might be great, or it might be like, no, my lashes don't like it. But hopefully it will work. Hopefully I will like it. My lashes are really thin, short and straight. Not great. And then lastly in the box, I have got here, this set includes 2 latex-free Makeup Wonder sponges. 1 full size and 1 half size. Oh, little ones. 2 little eggs. That's nice, actually. I've got lots and lots of these larger ones, but I haven't got any little ones. So I've got a full size and a little mini there. So those are all the items inside this Spectrum Collection mystery box. It's the Mirror mystery box that costs £39.99 and has a value of £132 something. If you love your brushes like what I do, and you love Spectrum as well, look, this makes me super happy. Then the sponges, then a mascara, and a little mini glow primer. Yeah, I definitely think it's worth it. Yeah, chuff, 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 chuffed. If you'd like to see more of these mystery unboxings from Spectrum, please let me know, and I will definitely do it at some point. I'd love to hear what you think. Have you ordered a mystery box from Spectrum before? I'd love to hear what you think of them, especially if you've had any of the other 2. I'd love to know what's inside those. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.